call another method and set start column n.
Add set start
After the inside that method. So
define inside same method.
Yes.
Add server column.
Set start column n. Set
Server. Add server column.
Start. Let's add. Start column name, right? Yes.
Start column name.
No, just
Empty.
shared details dot valid from.
Details from valid from. Okay.
Here.
And same for valid too.
Set n column name, shared detail, valid. Set n.
Set
End. End. It is start.
That is
end. And end. Yes.
Okay, done.
Done with that?
Yes.
So so we are going to define the binder. Define binder method. Remember the define binder? Yes, you see, is it there?
Yeah. No, we need to add it.
Yeah, add that method.
Yeah.
So that is. Yeah. So let's create an object of class PC underscore UNG or like that. Let's create an object of the table connector.
Table creator and
Inside define binder.
name it to
Table connector. Create an object of table connector. Of the table connector. Of the table connector, this is an UNG.
table connector and
Or object? Yeah, create an object. Of any method. Whatever name you feel,
table connector
with parameter? Yeah, you have to figure out where the parameter is coming from.
server binder, connection manager, and string tool. What is this?
So where is the server binder? You put this. This constructor,
This. Okay.
Refer to the same class.
And connection manager.
Like what we did the last time. It's a method called get connection manager, and then you put the index. You know. Then where is the table
Table name.
Get table name.
Table name.
This.
Get table name.
Add server rule that object. After that, I'll come and inspect how far you can. So rule the object is good. No. Done? You lost.
Yes.
Bravo, nice. That's good. What you do? Just you can put it up here.
No, I haven't got it.
Put it on top.
This.
Yeah. You get up. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. So yeah, that's it. Nice. Great. So far, any questions? Ctrl Shift F.
Okay.
Ctrl Shift F.
Formatting.
See the magic. I think
Formatting.
you have to whisper some words. I have whispered some words. That's why it is appeared.
This is magic. You know, just whisper
Okay, so that is fine so far. So who can explain that? Who can explain that?
Very good. Add separabilities.
Okay, so that is just basically, we did this last week. So if you get time and review, we're just adding the connector to that finder. So the gate connection manager gets a connection. If you put your just transfer here, it gets a type connection. You get it? From that connection manager, it is telling the module. It's telling Soclass to give your module a connection. The connection manager is used to, it's like a factory class for connections. Okay?
Is it something like this? We are creating an object of cable connection, and where we are pass the binder with the connection line. This one.
No, you're explaining the line, but I want you to explain the reason behind it.
Okay.
No, you're explaining just
The
like
line.
it, yes. But I want you to explain the reason behind it. The reason behind it is we're telling the Soclass,
So
this module requires connection what? The database. And the connection that we want to use is gotten from the connection manager. It's a factory for connection the database. And then reference tables have this reference document. They have a special method which has been implemented. Get table name. That returns the name of what? Of the table. And then we add it into the server to the rows. So ideally that would be it. But like I said, what we want to do is make sure that any change that has happened into our reference table is logged. Remember the table change?
Yes.
So we'll go a step further, create an integer, a variable int, a type int.
On the same
in same class,
in
In the
binder.
same method.
In the binder.
In the same, yeah, same binder.
we create an integer.
Correct? Create an integer.
Okay.
Now again, anything.
Call it anything. Call it your name. You can call it your name.
INTI.
Okay.
Basic.
Okay. So what we want to do is to find out how many we want to get that variable we are going to use to determine the number of keys, right? The number of columns that make up the primary key. So you can call it
Number
number of keys.
of
Key.
okay.
So that object you created, don't get column names, but like
PC first.
get key, column names,
Column returns.
and array, the length.
Add
The length minus 1.
and add it to the norm. Return it to the norm. PC dot get column name, right?
Yes.
It
Get
returns
key, column name.
get key column name.
Column
It returns what?
Dot length.
What does it become?
Get key code names. Name of the code.
Okay.
Key primary key.
-1.
-1.
Yes. Nice. Great.
This is next C column name, right?
I told you. Okay.
This is meant.
Get column name. Dot
Okay.
length
So,
-1. I also told you to set it to that. Okay. Okay. So we're going to create a server rule. Server rule.
Server room.
No, we're not going to add server. We're just going to. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to show you. Just like that. There's already a server rule in the Azure called SR long table. If you type Control Shift T and type SR long table, Control Shift T, SR long table, you should be able to see that server rule.
Control Shift T.
SR underscore long table.
Okay.
You see it
Okay,
there?
yes.
So it's there.
Ah, inside here.
Control Shift T, Command Shift SR underscore. Yes. Yeah, it's implemented in what? In the server, in the Azure. So what we are going to do is create a server rule, call it any name you want, SR long table equals to new SR long table, and then you pass in the parameters.
Okay, we write this one in defined value or
Yeah, in a very simple. We're adding another rule. Sorry, it's not visible. I think it should be visible on your machine. Yeah?
Yes, it's visible.
yeah. We write this one.
Yeah,
This is
we're
not-
yes.
Log binder.
In this defined line,
Sorry?
in defined line, this is snippet.
Yes, yes.
So,
Nice, great. So, who can explain what that means? Any explain what that means? So where did you leave you? I stay in the class, you seem to be moving slowly. Got lost. Where did you get lost from? Don't do it yourself. So where did you get lost? Yeah. Ah no, this one is different because it's a reference and then there's an e extension. The e document extension is different. That's one. Now you have now about 3 things that you need to do. You have a lot of work. So what you yes, that is different. Last case is just get a copy from him and then you start from there. You can save your project and get a copy from him. Yes.
So that N here of is that a constant or we have to create that?
So we will come to that.
what is the variable we have just defined?
Yes. But you remember when I was explaining the properties, but There was something like not binder. You remember? Not
Forward.
Not binder.
You forget it.
That's how I'm not favorite.
So, yes, someone should explain. I was asking someone to explain. I was asking you to explain. What is it?
So, recognizing the
Okay.
ticket.
Okay. So, any explanation? Sir? Yes, Deepak.
Yeah.
I explained.
Yeah, you did.
I explained. Uh-huh.
Anything
Okay.
that is changing.
Well, now what I need to do,
Yeah.
if today you want whatever you not understood, the other, this is now advanced class. Okay. If we cannot go forward, rather we stop the class on this. The other 4 issues which are very, very crucial, I don't.
Okay, this is energy change made in the reference to this line that is going to be locked to the super.
Do you agree with the explanation? Huh? What about you? Do you agree with this explanation?
Yeah.
So, what do you think is the answer?
We are trying to save every changes made on the view to the log table using the log binder.
Same as what you are saying. You're right.
Because
He doesn't hear what you're saying. I don't know. You're right. You need some time to discuss. This is a Euro.
yeah, this is
Okay.
I'm always getting some less than this. I normally use my card.
this is
Sweet.
fine.
That's sweet. Okay. So what you've done is this.
What we are doing is this.
I will explain. So whatever style you have, no problem. Okay. So
The log binder, we are defining properties for.
oh yeah, okay. Wait, what is here? I'm saying the log binder.
Yes.
Oh yes, we're defining in the properties file.
So you were asking something right?
Okay.
It's going to explain
So-
something.
So there are two lines I want you to see. There's 28, then there's 34. Okay?
27 or
28 and 34. Who can explain to me the
Yes.
difference?
28
TC.
And 34.
so will be TC on the screen. CD will be and 34.
Deepak, explain line 28 and line 34. If you can. Okay, anyone.
Server will handle your inventory. We are adding the server rules.
Yes, what is the difference between those two lines? Those two lines are all adding server rules, but what is the difference?
The second one is using the so much framework.
first one we add table connector, and second we are adding the log table to the server.
Yours is 20%, yours is 90%. Correct? Some is 90%. Okay, let me explain.
Second one, what is this?
Let me explain. Now, listen, guys. The add server rule, I told you server rules. Those are like instructions that you want to be executed.
Yeah.
Okay? So, the add server rule without any event ID means that I want that rule to be executed all the time. You get it?
At any cost.
At every event,
Okay.
all the time. Now, add server rule and you specify the event ID means that only what? Only when that event occurs.
Okay.
Meaning that I only want you to fire this SR log table server rule when the HTTP save view has occurred.
Okay.
But this add server rule where I only pass the one rule, in this case is table connector for all events. I want to be able to view, when I view my document, I should be able to see what?
Connect to that.
See the record. If I retrieve, I should be able to what? See the record. If I want to make modifications, so all the time, when you see this kind of rule, know that these are rules that are fired on all events. Okay?
Okay.
So this one is specific to what? To viewing and editing. You have to retrieve,
So it
perform that. Sorry?
It must be there. So it means we have to understand this, that we have to know because adding the server rules means it's mapping between the actor and Egypt, right?
Yes.
If there isn't any event mentioned, it will be fire only.
This is not that was nice.
Right?
That was nice. Just
Yes.
not put it. Just write it down. I don't know whether you remember what you said.
Yeah.
Please, that is very nice. Where there's no event ID, it fires all the time. Okay? Yes. So, so now let's get this one. That's what we want. You done? Done?
Yes.
Done.
Okay.
So we're going to the table connector. So the table connector,
What was the last line?
it was like
In the Eclipse.
in the what?
Eclipse.
No, I'm not doing it. What exactly do you want to see? Tell me. Because I don't want you to copy.
Okay.
I want you to ask exactly what exactly that. So I'm assuming machine does not have not plus. Okay, I wanted a special editor in Java, but this is such a thing that I highlight. Right now, I'm thinking this is the TC class, the table connector class. Is this what you have?
Yes, we have we don't have that argument.
You don't have the. I told you
Argument,
the server binder, yes,
connection.
connection manager, yes,
String.
and then the string,
Yes.
which is right. So also you can. You've taken the default naming for the
Yes.
for the
What is the free argument?
don't change. First, don't change. You see, the difference between using an IDE like Eclipse, a Notepad++, or VI is that the IDE is supposed to make your work very simple. So meaning that if I'm typing, if I'm editing using an IDE, it will tell me, for instance, before I make change to this, I have to define this variable.
Yeah.
And this variable is defined by up.
Up.
So I need to give it a type, server binder, define it, then make a change. So when you're typing, you don't start with this. Like what you're doing. You first start with this and make it change. So you can call it anything, you don't have to call it server binder. Done?
Yes.
Done. So you can call it any name. You can leave it like this. Next. Yeah. Let me get back to you. You were asking some question.
Okay.
No. What was the question?
There was something on the last. So
You did not complete. First go to your SS. Go down. First go to your S.
Yes.
Okay. I projected. I wanted you to complete the structure. And the other one is now to create valid operations.
Valid operations.
Yes.
Default valid operations.
Yes. Define valid operations and define it. Don't add any operations. We will use a default operation.
Define that. Create. Create valid operations. Or define like the operation.
Two parts of create valid operation. So create the method. Create valid operation. Control space. Create valid operation. Which is able to done. Inside it, do operations of is equal to super the create valid operation. Then you plan that operation.
Operations of
Done.
operation class? No.
Not operation plus operation.
Super the
Not operation.
written off, right?
Yeah, I can out this.
You
So, what I'm doing is without something like this. That's it.
Yeah.
Done that?
only that.
Done?
That is the default one. Return super that create valid operations.
Let's make the differences.
Returns create valid operation. Yes.
Done? Okay. So we were in this table connector. That's it. You have whatever name you have here, you can leave it the way you want.
Okay.
Okay? Whatever name you have here, basically, because we are not going to reuse this variable. This is just passing into the table connector. Then if it's out 01, out 00. But for you to be able to probably make your code readable, you need to find the variable name according to the purpose of that variable. Okay? That is the readability. So if the variable name is the number of keys, do it the way you've done. Number underscore O. Instead of being X can be anything. Okay? Good. So in in the table connector, what I want you to do is add. So let me just give you this. Add this. Add something like this. So gather two fields.
What I means.
Who can explain that line? Add. I'm working on you today. Sorry. No? With? Yeah, I wanted that from here. Exactly. So that's it. So you have the data element, the bulk ID n, with the database column name. So you have to make sure that whatever, if you've selected a different column name, you have to make change what?
Yeah.
Okay?
This morning, my issue.
Yes, exactly. So, but for consistency's sake, when you're dealing with
Historization.
historized table, maintain. Just maintain. You will not have maintain. Yes. So do that for the other two. Other two. In fact, add that for even the dates.
Add for dates.
Yes. So valid from, you already created the constant valid from it.
Yes.
So valid from, the column is valid from, and the type is timestamp. Because you're dealing with dates. When you,
Timestamp.
yes, timestamp. The dates.
Okay, done.
Done?
Done.
Good one? Okay. What you do then? If you're getting delayed a bit, you just use this machine.
Okay, I will.
He with me.
Easy with you, eh? Sounds good. Okay. Good. Make sure you're not left behind. You can always get time.
I'm trying. Yes.
You get time
Uh-huh.
this evening. I told you, it's only, I've only contact, he's the only one who has invited me on Skype. So I told him my ID is what?
Okay.
I'm available till midnight.
Till
I
midnight.
sleep at yes. So after midnight, don't contact me because I will not respond. Yes, I sleep. But till midnight, you can contact me. If you have any issue, I'll respond. Okay?
JAK2A
Yes.
CAD.
Yes. I have him on Skype. He has never contacted me though.
Because he might not have any issues.
Okay, you'll add that later on.
And
So okay, fine. So you all there? So what you do is you add the, so you've added the value from. Okay. So what you do, indicate that these ones are the primary key. So you're going to do something like this.
primary.
This. Then specify the column name and the type. So in this case, so what we're doing is we have two columns that are primary key. So we're going to do this, and then also going to add the second primary key as this two, key number 2. We have, I think it's valid form.
Okay, Q1, Q2.
Valid form, and this is time time. Okay? If you add the third key, you add the same. If you add the fourth, you add fifth, so it is recurring. Just keep changing it. So this is the appendix. So what the framework will do is be able to check the number of keys, and then you will append the index onto it.
And what?
Yes, that's
This
Yes.
valid from
These two will be right.
Yeah.
And color?
Yeah, that's that. No, I'll just leave. This is the example demonstration. Okay.
Valid to the
Okay.
Yeah.
Then set search in control space.
sorting.
Set search in what? What is that? Search. Participate in search. Set participate in search. What did I tell you about the set participate in search?
whether this will be searchable or not. That you can search. Fine.
Okay. Okay, so we are done with the table connector. We are done with the binder. And we are done with the share. So we will go to the simple part, which is just adding the table. I'm sure by now you can add the table, so I'm not going to show you the script for adding the table. Add the table in the phrase. This is the table structure.
We'll use the same XML file to create this.
Same XML file. Where you have by date, put valid from, and then valid.
Okay.
You have 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yes, this is just 6 lines.
5 minutes. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 lines. When you're done before the 5 minutes,
Two.
Indeed.
so to save time, I'm going to give you a copy of my reference, my property files. I need the class. Then I will explain. I'll explain the property files. What those property files are empty.
Yes. All are empty.
So I'm
Okay,
just-
done.
Do we need instance ID?
No,
You don't need the instance ID. And why don't you need the instance ID?
because it's just
Okay, that is true also, which is the next explanation.
This system.
because it's primary key.
It's not in this year.
We already have primary
That
key.
is also true.
Combine.
That is also true. Which is the next?
We have primary key in combined form.
Exactly, that is the one I was looking for. Nice.
Character or character?
That is nice.
That is clear, right?
Which one? You can,
Book ID. Numeric.
Now, when you're dealing with the database, you can put it back up. So it's current enough to specify the size. can have it in the database marker, it will still be
Book idea is numeric or character?
it's varchar. The book ID I'm thinking is going to be alphanumeric. If you're not going to use any text for computation, it's better you leave it as a string.
Character?
You get what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Plus, minus.
Yes. Just leave it as a string. The only thing why you need the instance IDs to be numeric because you want to order them and arrange. Get it? That's why
That will
you
be
need them as-
incremented automatically.
Exactly. So that is perfect. I'm enjoying this class today. I know.
Hmm?
You done?
Yes.
Okay. So you print the just beam it and then you confirm whether it's whether you've done the right thing or the wrong thing. And just hold on.
Huh?
Okay. Just first click here.
One second.
Just first click here. So if you have something like this, it's lower part. Just first click.
Yes.
Modified time.
Better null false.
Modified time.
I'll explain to you that. Sorry, I didn't. This is only part you don't have, right?
And null false.
Null false.
Okay, yes, I'll explain to you also that. So your issue is null false. Null false is like saying not null.
Okay.
Null is not allowed.
That should not be allowed.
Not is not allowed.
It has to have, those are mandatory columns.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Null is false. Any value that is null is not allowed.
This means while creating the data file in database table, it will have a parameter something like attribute like not null.
Yes, exactly. So this is not a column, this is array. This is a special tag, syntax for SQL tables. They are
We often see this.
you have to see what?
We often see this FLG on
FLG.
this
Okay, let's see it together. Yeah.
What?
I'll dim it here. You often see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just going to dim it and then I'll explain. Okay, so let me just do something. Let's
because of what? उसको नहीं मानता मेरा मैं ऐसे कर रहा हूँ मेरा मैं ऐसे
कोई भी नहीं.
Was ist das?
Geneva training. Okay, we are going to Geneva training.
In the world.
Linux वाला मैप में जोड़ दिया तो कौन सी बात क्वाडी में हिसाब कर लो एक